So if you're looking for the best battery, best rechargeable battery for your Zoom F4, Zoom F8, you cannot go wrong with the Panasonic Inilu Pro, which is a 2550 milliamp power capacity. There's not a single battery which is better than this one on the market. Let me be honest with you. Let me be honest with you. So now let me open the batteries for you. It comes pre-charged, as you can see on the back. It's telling you this is the best battery you can buy. If you wanna buy this battery, make sure to buy this one from the link below. I'm a huge fan of this battery. Let me be honest with you. Let me now open it for you. Okay, here we go. Wow, I'm really very much excited. I'm really very much excited, to be honest with you. Here we go. It have up to 500 times rechargeable cycle, which is a really very good thing. Okay, now let me open this one. I really love my Zoom F4. It come like pre-charged. I'm going to test with my Zoom F4. So I also opened some another battery. So you need 8 battery. First thing you need to do is turn off your Zoom F4. As you can see, I'm going to unplug the power adapter, the power AC adapter. As you can see, I'm doing right now. It's a little bit harder to unplug it, but still I'm going to do it. Okay, like this. Come on. Like this, I think so. Yeah, like this. You need to open anti-clockwise. It's not still opening. Okay, it's a little bit harder to open. Yeah, finally it's been open. And this one is my microphone, and this one is the audio cable to the camera, but I'm not using anything right now. Let me put the battery here, and then let me open the power pack, the battery power pack of the Zoom F4. Let me put this one down. Okay, let me put the battery inside. Are you excited? I am really very much excited. Let me be honest with you. Put the battery like this, like this. I really like the sexy black color, like this. Okay, now let me close this side. How I'm going to close this one? Something like this. Okay, closing is a little bit hard. Yeah, like this. Yes, already closed. Second side. Let me put the battery again like this. Like this. Like this. Oh, finally, like this. Now let me close and put inside the battery in the Zoom F4 recorder. Am I doing something wrong? I don't think so. Okay, you need to put like this. I was putting it the wrong way. Let me close it. As you can see, there is no AC adapter plug in. This one is AC adapter. There's no. Let me turn on. Finally, it's on with the AA Panasonic Inilu battery. Wow, it's working. It's working. Can you tell me anything better than this one? I really don't think so. So this is the best battery you should use. Definitely yes. Let me know which rechargeable battery you like to use with your Zoom F4, Zoom F8 or any other recorder. I mean, this battery is the same battery now I use in my Tascam recorder, Tascam DR22WL. I think so, that is the name. I love these batteries a lot. So it was me, Geek. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Bye!
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي